Hey guys, okay, I'm so excited because the purple potted pole bean trellis is doing wonders for me again this year. So as you can see, it is doing good. So one seed in the ground has gone all the way up and they're stopping about right here, kind of twisting with each other. And there's some beautiful purple flowers on each of these. And there's lots of beans on here. So I'm so excited because just the other day, I was out here, there were no beans whatsoever. The next day, someone asked me about beans and said that they were getting a lot. I was like, oh man, that's exciting. And then I was looking at mine and there was these tiny little baby beans. And I was like, oh, they're coming, they're here. I'm so excited. Now there are full beans that are coming on. Now, these are a little premature to pick to can right now, but these are very delicious for snacking right now. So that's what I'm coming out here to do with. And so what we're going to do for my canning class in 2 weeks is that we are going to raw pack purple beans. So you guys get to learn how to use the pressure canner and to raw pack the beans. And then we're going to cover lots of other stuff. But that's what we'll be able to do hands-on. So you can see how the jiggling of the timer works, of the weighted gauge, the pressure canner, what we can water bath can, what we can pressure can. So at least we'll have something that's we'll be able to do hands-on. So I'm super excited about that. So go out in your garden every single day. You will be amazed by God's creation from these little seeds to something that is this beautiful. Right, I'm about to get shaded in here. I've got 2 rows on this side that are really thick, and I only have 1 row on this side because I have the broccoli on the other side. So it's not as thick on this side. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.